Hi everyone, it's Leigh Goldstein, the Trading Director at 10 Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to the weekly Market Movers video preview. This is our trade room schedule, as well as a look at all the events that we feel will move the futures markets in the upcoming week, Eastern Time. Let's get started. Our first trade room of the week is Monday at 8 a.m. for core durable goods. We'll be back in the room at 9:30 for pending homes, and then at 7:15 p.m. for Australia retail sales. Tuesday morning at 3 a.m. there's no trade room, but you might want to watch the Swiss GDP report on the euro. Our first trade room Tuesday is the Canadian GDP report at 8 a.m. We'll be back in the room at 9:30 for CB consumer confidence, and then we'll be back at 4 p.m. for the API crude oil report, back again at 7 p.m. for Australia's GDP and CPI, and then at 8:15 p.m. for Chinese manufacturing, non-manufacturing, and the Caixin Chinese manufacturing report. Wednesday at 9:30, we've got the ISM manufacturing, which is a family money trade, and crude oil inventories. Thursday, no trade room for unemployment claims, but we'll be watching that closely to see if it is setting up to give us a trade in the future. Thursday, our first trade room is at 10 a.m. for the natural gas storage report. And then Friday morning at 9:30, our last trade, ISM Services, also a family money trade. So make your way into the trade room. You can learn all about appointment-based trading, and you can be our members Trade of the Week next week. So join us, please, and don't forget our Trade Live Challenge starting soon. www.tradelivechallenge.com. I'll see you all in the trade room. This is Leigh Goldstein. Take care, everyone.